Are you tired of looking down at your hands and seeing brittle, peeling, or weak nails? It's so frustrating when you want beautiful, healthy nails, but they just keep breaking. Maybe you've had a bad gel manicure, or maybe they're just naturally fragile. Don't worry, because you're not alone, and the good news is you can absolutely bring them back to life. Today, we're going on a nail recovery journey together. I am going to show you the exact steps and tips to transform your damaged nails into the strong, healthy nails you've always wanted. Let's get started on this nail rehab mission. First things first, we need to give our nails a clean slate. If you have any polish, gel, or acrylics on, it's time to gently remove them. For regular polish, use an acetone-free remover. It's much kinder to your already stressed out nails. If you're dealing with gels or acrylics, the best approach is to have them professionally removed to avoid further damage. If you must do it at home, use the soak-off method. Saturate a cotton ball in pure acetone, place it on your nail, wrap it in foil, and wait. Be patient. Never ever peel or pry them off. That rips off layers of your natural nail plate, which is the exact opposite of what we want to do. Once your nails are bare, it's time for some gentle shaping. Grab a soft nail filler glass or crystal file is a fantastic choice because it seals the nail edge as you file, preventing future peeling. Instead of sawing back and forth, file gently in one direction. This simple change in technique makes a huge difference in preventing micro tears and splits. If your nails are severely damaged, it's a good idea to trim them short. This removes the weakest parts and gives you a fresh start, reducing the chance of them snagging and breaking further. Think of it as a much-needed haircut for your nails. Now, for the most crucial part of nail recovery, hydration and nourishment. Your nails and cuticles are thirsty. A high-quality cuticle oil is your new best friend. Look for ingredients like jojoba oil, vitamin E, or sweet almond oil. Jojoba oil is fantastic because its molecular structure is very similar to our skin's natural sebum, so it absorbs deeply. Apply it generously to your cuticles and massage it into the entire nail plate at least twice a day. Morning and night is a great routine. This isn't just about making your cuticles look nice. It's about delivering nutrients directly to the nail matrix, which is where your new nail growth begins. Healthy matrix, healthy nail. While you're giving your nails a break from polish, that doesn't mean you have to leave them completely unprotected. A good nail strengthener can act as a shield. Look for formulas with ingredients like keratin, biotin, or calcium. These treatments create a protective layer over the nail, reinforcing it and preventing bending and breaking. Apply a thin coat every other day or as directed on the bottle. Some people see amazing results within a couple of weeks. This step provides that extra support while your nails are in their vulnerable growing out phase. It's like a support system for your recovery. Finally, long-term nail health is an inside job. What you eat directly impacts the strength and appearance of your nails. Make sure your diet is rich in biotin, which is found in eggs, nuts, and whole grains. Protein is also essential as our nails are made of keratin, a type of protein. So, lean meats, fish, and legumes are great choices, and don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps your entire body, including your nails. A balanced diet won't fix your nails overnight, but it will build a strong foundation for healthy, resilient nail growth for years to come. Consistency is key, so stick with these habits and you will see a beautiful transformation.